point is, like, if this question is too easy for us, we can use it as a chance to learn some more advanced stuff. Yeah? You don't have to just do the same easy question over and over. Okay, so in Chord Bash, so the good thing that makes it Chord Bash is right angles, yeah? Lots of right angles. Chord Bash loves right angles. Okay? Alright. Where would you make the axes for this Chord Bash?
The L line.
L.
B, C, and C, D.
Try both options.
Concept.
We should try what happens if we bash with L line as the x-axis, yeah?
I'll get all my like 16 different accounts to watch it.
Okay, let's try your thing if it works, okay? Okay, so what happens if x-axis is the L, the line L?
Ow.
And obviously B is the origin. And then maybe X is no longer a good enough symbol for this length of the square. Let's make the length of the square. Let's make the width of the square W. Okay. W.
Oh, fair. Found it.
Yeah, I think the thing that makes it kind of tough, but I think it's still doable. So you have like now you have 2 lines instead of.
Yay.
You have 2 lines, yeah.
Wow.
Okay, can someone tell me what the coordinates of the point B are?
0, 0.
Good.
Oh my god.
What are the coordinates of the points A and C?
Not 0. W5.
W5. Ooh.
Oh, not W.
Something 5.
Math.
Wow.
Oh yeah, so you're saying W is it's like square root of 5, W squared minus 5 squared. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, that's what I meant, but I didn't.
Okay, and then C is something 7. Yeah.
And it's just
W root W squared minus 7 squared. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so I guess in Chord Bash, one of the key things that lets you do the right angles is, do you know if they're right angles, the slope's times the -1. Yeah? That makes sense. You know what slope is?
The gradient. It's like
rise
over run.
So the slope of AB, yeah, is equal to, so from B to A, it goes up by 5 and it goes across by root W squared minus 5 squared, right? So the slope is rise over run, okay? So right over W squared minus 5 squared. Yeah, that's the slope. Okay. Alright, what's the slope of BC? Well, BC goes down 7. The slope of BC, it goes down 7, okay? And it goes across minus 7 squared, right? Yeah? Okay, so now the condition is the slopes multiply to -1, yeah? Okay. So if you multiply it together, the minus you get, if you times these and get -1, you essentially get that 5 times 7 equals root W squared minus 5 squared times W squared minus 7 squared.
Oh.
Okay.
Yay.
Yeah. And it's actually nice that some of the W squareds cancel, yeah? So you get 5 squared times 7 squared. If you square both sides, you get W squared minus 5 squared times W squared minus 7 squared. Okay, and then when you expand it, the W 5 squared times 7 squared cancel, yeah?
Oh.
So you get W to the 4 minus 5 squared plus 7 squared W squared equals 0. Okay? And since W squared is not equal to 0, you can cancel w squared. You get w squared equals 5 squared plus 7 squared.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
So that solves the problem.